Free AI photo restoration. In today's video we will restore old black and white photo. If you have any old black and white photos that are blurry, faded, or damaged, Photo Restore IO is here to rescue your beautiful memories. Simply click on Restore Photos button and upload any old, blurry, faded, or damaged photo you want to restore and wait for few seconds to restore it. After few seconds your old photo will appear with new look. You can download the new image. If you want to make image quality more better, then click on Increase Image Quality button. This will take few seconds to make your image quality more better and you can download it. You can also remove the background from any image by just clicking Remove Background from Image button. After few seconds, background will be removed from the image. You can also increase the resolution of any image by clicking Increase Image Resolution button and image resolution will be increased. If you like, you can also give color to any old black and white photo. To do so, click on Colorize Photo button and it will make your old photo into colorized new look. Enjoy this free AI photo restoration tool. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe our channel.